Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use a Verizon SIM card in an AT&T phone. So first we need to check the device compatibility. In order to do that, you just go to your AT&T phone, must be unlocked from the AT&T network, then go to settings, click general, then click about, then click carrier lock for iPhones. Or just contact AT&T to confirm it is unlocked. Next, we need to check the network compatibility. So older phone may not support version-specific network bands, which mean frequencies. So even if unlocked, newer phones from 2017 are usually better, but check compatibility on the version website or just go to your phone and tap this number. So after that, just insert the SIM, power off your phone, eject the SIM and insert the SIM. Then power your phone back on. This should fix the problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.